Hello and welcome to JavaScript Tips and Tricks Part 1. And this video is about string reversal. So let's start with creating few strings. And I will name it string 1, maybe apple. The next string 2. And let's name it broadcast. String 3 and let's say JavaScript. Okay, so our strings are ready now, and now let's try to reverse this. So if you don't know, JavaScript provides a method called reverse, which we can use on arrays. Okay, so let's create an array, maybe of characters A, comma B, and now reverse the method provided by JavaScript. And here you can see the array is reversed. Okay, so right now you can see we have strings, and let's make the string an array using split. Okay, so we know that we don't have any space, so we will give this double inverted commas and it will split it into an array, and now we can reverse that. But here our work is half done. So array is reversed, but now we need to join it. Okay, so we can use join to make it an string again, and you can see that our string is reversed. Okay, now let's try to reverse the string without using the reverse method. So let's create a function and name it maybe reverse str for string, and it will take a argument. Okay, let's create a variable, let reverse. So this variable is going to store our reversed string. Okay, and okay, here you have to be careful because I'm using console, and whenever I'm entering, it's going to enter. Okay, so use shift. So we are going to use for off loop to loop this string. Okay, and for off is also used to loop a array. So let's say let jar off the string we are getting as an argument. Okay, and you can now easily think that we are going to use reversed equals to jar plus reverse. Okay, so how it's going to work, that suppose let's say apple, and it's going to take an apple, and that is the character char. Okay, so a plus reversed is a empty string initially, and it's going to store that into reverse. Again it will loop, and it is going to take p, and it is going to add it into a. So pa, again it will reverse, and it is going to take p plus pa, it's going to ppa. Okay, and now you can understand that this loop will be run until the string is finished, and it's going to give us a reversed string of whatever the argument string we are provided. Okay, now finally we are going to return this. Okay, so our function is ready now. Now let's try this function using a string, and let's pass the argument of the variables we have created initially. String 2 maybe. Okay, this one. Okay, now you can see it is reversed. Let's try string 3. And it's also get reversed. Okay, so it's that simple. Now I will ask you to pause the video and think of any other way which you can use to reverse a string. And if you know any other way, please comment it and let me know so I can also learn from you. Okay, but I like to show you one more way, which is using the reducer. Okay, and reducer is again an array method. So let's pick one string, string 1 maybe. Okay, and let's make it a string using split. And we will say split, and we will use double inverted commas to split the characters into an array. And here we are going to use reduce, which is going to take an callback function inside. Okay, so this callback function give us two things. One is an argument which going to store our for all the characters, and second is a new character from an array. Okay, so now we also going to need an initial character from where we want to start, and we want to start it as a blank. Okay, here which is reverse if you remember. So here we are using rev. So just it is similar, kind of a similar, and here we are going to return character plus rev. So how it is going to work is it is going to store all the reverse character into here. So let's make it reverse so it will be much clear. Okay, it is going to work similar as the previous example we have used reverse, right? So it's going to store the reverse characters into reverse, and it's going to give a new character from the array. And I think there is an error somewhere. I guess I mistaken the spelling of split. So let's correct it. Okay, so now you can see we have a reverse string. So apple is reversed now. Okay, and we can also try it with string 2, and that's also reversed. So how reducer work is it's going to give us two arguments, which is reverse. So it's going to work as a store, and char is going to provide us with the new characters from the array. Okay, and we are going to add this, and this is the first character which we want. If we want f, then it's going to start with f, as you can see over here, but we don't want that, so let's remove it. So it's going to loop through it, and we are going to add the characters, and that is going to store in reverse, and finally it's going to give us our reverse string. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you have learned something from today's video, and if you need any specific tip or trick in JavaScript, please let me know in the comments. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my video if not already. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.